Hi, today we're going to create a follow the sun model on-call schedule. It's great when you have team members across multiple time zones to cover on-call, so no one has to, during their daytime, so no one has to be on-call during odd hours. In our example, the on-call schedule is going to be starting from 6-hour shifts from 8 a.m. in the morning till 2 p.m., then 2 p.m. to 8 p.m., and then again 8 p.m. to 2 a.m., and then 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. again. It's a lot of digits, so I'm just going to create this, follow along. So this is our first layer. This is going to be from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. I'm just going to add Athene and journey. You can see the live calendar reflecting on the right hand side. Coming back, this is what we want. The handoff will happen at 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and we want this to be weekly rotation. So the first week it's Athene, and the second week it's Jody, as an example. Now I'm going to add slots. So what we want is every day from 8 a.m. till 2 p.m. There it is. Now let's add the next layer for 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. And this, I'm just gonna try the next two members, same settings, and handoff will be at 8 p.m. Add slots. So this will be 2 p.m. till 8 p.m. Yep, layer 2 is covered. So let's add the next layer. Now we want 8 p.m. to 2 a.m. So I'm going to add the weekly, and this is going to end at 2 a.m. Add a slot, and this is for a specific time of the day. So it's going to be 20 till 02, 8 p.m. till 2 a.m. Apply. Okay, we're getting there. So let's add the last layer, which is 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. And I'm just gonna get Sana, it's right. Same settings. 8 a.m. in the morning is when the shift changes. So this is 02, 08. And enter. Now you can see you've got follow the sun model, a shift rotating, on-call shift rotating every 6 hours. And this is how it looks. Let's go ahead and create this. Okay. So now that we have it created, let's go through how it looks. Let's start today. So you can see, because we've created it today, so the next person is going to be on call at 8 p.m. That's Christina till about 2 a.m. And then from 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. it's Sana. Let's assume that Sana is going to be somewhere in the west, so they will have the sun up and ready. Then we have Athene covering the day shift. Again, later day shift, I'd say 2 to 8 p.m. and then from 8 p.m. till again 2 a.m. Now what's going to happen is, it's not just this one person who's going to be on call during the day, because it's weekly rotation. So when I go to next week, it's going to be Journey. And similarly, everyone else's shifts have also changed. Let us know what you think. Thank you. If you're interested to know more about on-call management, check out Spike.sh. Thank you.